Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So I suppose what we could just do is just keep the level on the top, level on the bottom. That is your channel. We are channel bound at the moment. See big squirts up, and then we've come back onto this little bit of structure here at 14,445. We do have non-farm payrolls in the US later today, so could be just waiting for that. But big up, big down, no real direction, kind of sideways almost. I would be paying very close attention to the lows of the week at the moment. And I just want to check the weekly. So the weekly, I don't really have any structure, and this weekly grouping of the oscillators at the moment is a little bit of a worry. So I would really like to see a pullback, to be honest, and this is where I'd like to see the pullback to at 13,963. So if we look at this on the 3-hour, that's quite a substantial pullback. Let's see, there it is there. But that would give me a lot more confidence that if we build a base off here, that we have a move to the upside. But the longer we continue like this, the higher the probability is of a coin toss. In other words, it can break up or down. There's no real structure at the moment there. And if we drop down to the hour, pretty much the same picture. Big up day before yesterday, and then big down. We did find some support here, but this little move now after hours is fairly telling. I think you're probably going to see something different. So let me just do this. Just want to fine tune that level. You can see that it's been respected quite a bit. So you could see a pullback into here. But if that happens, we're below the moving averages. So above moving averages, below moving averages, not something you want to be trading. So I am sit on hands here. I really don't want to get involved in this. If we'd got some nice buying opportunities off any of these tails, and let's use my cursor, you can see nothing really materialized there at all. So we came back to this level that I gave you yesterday, which we just drew in fairly randomly through all of this. Do this. Let's see, there it is there. You can see the buyers coming off that, but we've got a bar closed below it at the moment, so I don't trust that. So unless we get back up, come back and test it, build a base off, then there's an opportunity. But I think we're more than likely going to be just mucking around in a similar fashion today, unless non-farm payrolls this afternoon provide some sort of catalyst. So on the one hand, this is looking really tired, that you need to see a bigger pullback, and that's pretty much what I really would like to see. 13,963 is going to build a base down here. It's going to relieve a lot of the overbought pressure and allow us opportunities to get in lower down. But this at the moment is sideways. So when it's sideways and we're above and below the moving averages, you can see this on the hour, above, below, above, below. I am staying out of it. I don't even think there was an opportunity here on the 15 minutes. I suppose there was a pin bar here, and inside bar and pin bar here off structure. But in all honesty, that's not even worth chasing. It was a 2-to-1 trade, but it's not even worth chasing. That would have been the area to get out. Because until you got above that, the trend could potentially be reversing. So that is what it looks like on the 15 as we have a trend reversal. But we've got this massive area of support here on the weekly. That is a 5-minute line, but if you just come in here, you will see there is a tail right there, which we are picking up. So there's another weekly level there. Anyway, it's that's basically the flag target is down here. If I just come back to the 15 minutes, you'll see there's my flag target right over there. So it's not that big, to be honest. It's really, it's almost straight. So treat it as a range more than a channel, I suppose, is the way to look at this. So put this level on the top here. There's the top, there's the bottom of the range. So ignore the channel at the moment and treat that as a range. That's the only bit of advice I can give you today. But anyway, I'm sitting on hands. I'm really not involved in this at the moment, so I don't see any opportunities. If we'd built a base yesterday, I'd be all for it, looking for the longs at the moment. Might as well just toss a coin. Anyway, hope it helps somebody, and enjoy your weekend that's coming up, and we will catch up with you on Monday. Cheers for now.